Hi everyone, this is Teacher Marvit. I will share another website that you can use during this distance learning. It's called Storyline Online. You just have to type it in the web address storylineonline.net and it will take you to this marvelous reading website. So, this website is a children's literacy website which provides free storytelling videos and resources for parents and teachers like us to encourage a love of reading in children. You heard that right. All video resources are free for everybody. So there are several books to choose from that are then read aloud by a remarkable actor through a video format. So every month they featured different videos. So we're going to explore the books a little bit. So just have to click the top part of your menu bar, all books, and after clicking, you can search the book that you want to share with your students by the author, by the reader, by the title, and by the running time. As you can see on this page, at the bottom of each book, you will see some activity guides for teachers. And on this activity guide, you will see the objectives, the synopsis, the standards, and the different learning activities that you want to incorporate in your lesson. So we're going to try one. For example, Arnie the Donut. So you just have to share this reading link website to your students. And once they have that link, they will have an access to the story of the featured video that you want to share with them. And at the bottom of this one, they will see a brief summary of the story, Arnie the Donut. And the part that I like is it tells you the suggested grade level. For example, the story of Arnie the Donut is for uh, second graders and the first graders, and the running time is 15 minutes. I highly recommend this website because it gets our students delighted and eager to listen to the read aloud. I hope you guys will use Storyline Online. Bye.